Rosla, back at it again. Recently, I put out a part 1 content of Tu-Loxx interview with Jaii, where he came under heavy scrutinization from his audience because they were saying Tu-Loxx was being biased with Jaii and the interview one-sided due to the fact that in the past, when Tu-Loxx having pad class, you don't know, them man they bash everybody. So a lot of people was expressing their dissatisfaction in his last video or in this interview with Jaii. And you know, with that be the case, the people them say Foota hype have a bottom intercom. So this was broadcasted over to Foota, and the signal was picked up on his intercom. And he came to the forefront, which is his live, to express his opinion. He was in shock and disbelief. Shock because he can't seem to come to a tangible conclusion as to why Tu-Loxx would do an interview with Jaii after he say what he say out of his mouth that he was feeling the shaky vibes. And in disbelief due to the fact that what he's seen, he can't believe it's real. So without further ado, here goes.
Fantasy Jewelry Collection, big up, big up, big up, big up, big up. You know, me keep forgetting, say, everywhere in the world, don't up at the same time. Good girl gone bougie war gone. Well, I hope the world see what I go on, you know. I don't know if you remember a couple of years ago I tell you, say, yes, Foota hype, love money. Foota hype, use money. Foota hype, work for money. But I'm not governed by money. And me run money. Money not run me. Now, money, no matter how much of it you have, you're still at the mercy of God. So, whether you have 100 zillion or 100 billion, if you're not blessed with your 100 zillion, dog, name your supper. So years ago, me I tell you, say, you know, me I work for blessings, you know. If making the money I go mess with the blessings, then I don't want the money. You have more money than P. Diddy? You have more money than P. Diddy? No. But he them have a song one time, I think a Fanta and Moja sing it. Say corruption packing up on them. You understand? So, all of who me see in a Jamaican circle now, we're getting filtrated by how much money involved and how much money people have. And you're switching and finding excuse for these dirty people because they have money or they are associated with people with money. I'm sorry for you know, but I can't help you. Because right now, I'm up on a different part. I'm not even argue with you now. Once I say, when you choose the tile, choose the door side, Foota hype just go up on him phone, unblock, unfollow, take with myself. I don't have nothing to do with you. You see, anybody when I see I support the do the world, I not argue with you. Because you're not blind and you're not deaf. You can't hear and you can't see. So anybody me don't want nobody to message me about, oh, what you have to say about this and what you have to say about that. Anybody sit on the do the couch, them want to go over there. Them want to do it. Anybody you see a interview, they do the man, them want do it, them say benefit in it. If you not see me over there, if you not see me on the do the coach, if you not see me an interview to do the man, don't ask me nothing. Only need to go over the people them comment section, go beat them. You understand what I say? Do not ask me nothing. Cause nobody not blind and nobody not deaf. If you see a man after I go on, go up and do the coach and have to ask what mindset there. If you see somebody interview the do the man and sit down and laugh with the do the man, you not have to ask where their mindset there. They are accepting of the do the behavior. So nobody not ask me nothing. Cause you see right now, when the Almighty I beat people, me no want nobody say nothing to me. Okay? I don't want nobody say nothing to me. You don't see nobody over here so from Do the Planet. You don't see me an interview no Do the Planet people. You don't see me I go up and do the coach. Don't ask me nothing. When I go in the comment section of who not ask me about, I'm going to ask them. Me not have no answer for nobody. Can't lead who not want to be led, okay? Enough man undercover sprat and don't even realize. Enough man support the do the community and don't even realize. I am straight nation. However, you saw me there. Me no want interview some boy or girl. Me no want some boy or girl ask me for an interview. Me no in a chattings with some boy or girl. Me no in a communication. Me no want find no excuse for you. Me no want find no reason.
Well, that's just
Jaja. Foota, but that you says. But my people, to be honest, and to Foota, if you want to be technical Foota, is it this Shibada and your baby mother? You know what I mean? On stage. And there's a lot of time in many cases where you see Shibada appeared on stage. So Foota, this is it you afterwards? On many occasions too, sitting in these same seats. So you don't consider these seats to be dooed up as well? Or come like Tu-Loxx, seat them a theme place different from on stage seat them? Because on stage, if you want be technical again, on stage seat, there's a million people pass through them, sit down on them seat there, From me idea, me growing up, the things them where I see going at that place and come out higher, it's ridiculous. Yes, a million things, man. I see reptile, sharks, dinosaur, and even dragon, rasta. Yes, I see dragon sometime go in that place though. So you see the levels. So when you see something like Al Shibada, where them man they want to classify him as a fish, that tiki. Them man they are a big mammal. Oh, we come upon them thing they straight. So Foota, wouldn't you say at times you contradict yourself, Aya? And Tu-Loxx, you have to know this in my general. You see, like how you do out there, burn the fire all the time, you dash this fire. You always bring the torch, Aya. Any little thing people get for smear upon your name, them will, any little chance them get to do it, they will do it. Yes, sir, because, watch out, a man or a woman way out there in a rasta, in them dirty, nasty, corrupt grasshopper life, you know, man. And they're uncomfortably in it, you know, man, with what they are doing, you know, man. They're not content. You know what I mean? And true, them no content now. Them want company, you know. Yeah. Them want company to feel comfortable in what they're doing. So when a man like you know do your thing and a dash fire, you know, I like all Rasta out there, Sizzler and them man there, dashing fire and them something there. When man like we, you have to remember say people are gonna sift through every little thing, you know, man. Cause I remember saying, you know, you make them uncomfortable, you know. With everything we you say at times, I remember if them in the wrong, them not go feel comfortable with what you say. So them not go like you higher. So you have to know, them go sift through everything, me general. And any little thing me I tell you, them go try dry you down in the barrel. And another barrel of crap them there. A fish. Them go try fish up your name higher. And as me say, when they are not content or contempt with their dirty lifestyle and habits, they tend to draw other people down. And this is where they seek attention because they want company. You know what I mean? So, them are wait for Simon. If any little foul play or you slip and slide, put on your name, Magina. Them are going to take the opportunity. Yeah, man, right away. Snap a finger, boom. You know what I mean? Automatically. Boom. Fish out there, so. Yeah, Tu-Loxx a fish, you see me? So that it could fit to their needs. And them are going to be more comfortable if you know, say, yo, watch them Monday that well straight over there, so you know that dash fire and thing, you know, man. So if them Monday I mix up over in a corrupt thing and the over that side, you know, that mean nothing with me that do no wrong. It's a 7 up more in getting to him name now, you know. Him boots up now, you know, man. Put on the wheel suit and fly gun, I know. Cause what? It confirmed to him now. Say nothing that he's doing is wrong. Cause a man that was burning that fire gone over there now. I do the wrong too. So you have to know these things, my general. And my viewers, this is not me coming in defense of none of them and them, you know, Tu-Loxx or whatever, you know. This is just me looking at things and saying, yo, where is the dignity? Where is the loyalty? Nobody no loyal again, aya. Where the respect there? Jaja. Richie Spice would say, you know, the world is a cycle. And every little thing where we do, it go round in a circle. So you know, have to remember, say, anything we want to do or did do, it can't rub out. Rasla.